Alright, so we are here at the volcano. How was the trail?
Hey, bushy.
Bushy. Small man, how you do? Woo. Alright, so we are here at the volcano. Haven't been here for some time, eh? Yeah.
Oh, but this volcano is like ready to be real active. It's to be all
Yeah. This erupted last year, August. So we are here at the mud volcano. Actually, there are two mud volcanoes in this area. The radius could be about 70 meters, thereabout. And these are the small little domes here. See them? Have some oozing right here. Some oozing taking place. Bubble, bubble, bubble. You could take some and put it on your face, you know, don't feel.
Look, this one you need.
Yeah.
This one bubbling. Just bubble like 2 times.
So you've been to Bud volcanoes before, or is
Yeah.
it your first time?
No. We went to the Lucero
Oh, Lucio.
volcano. We
This
went
one
to
is
the
a little bit
Diggity.
different.
Yeah.
So this guy here is going to send up his drone, Mr. Afzal Abdul. I'm sure you all follow him on Facebook, some of you. He does one of the best drone photography that you could get across Trinidad and Tobago. Alright. You have a number like people could contact you at to get drone photography? What is your number?
My number is 355-7697.
Alright, so to get your premium drone photography, check this guy, people. And he's now mounting up the drone. So I'm going to show you guys some footage. Alright. And meanwhile, I'll cover it from the surface. He'll do the aerial part of things. But glad to have him with us today, man. How was the hike? Just describe the hike.
It was very good. A little bit shorter than the normal trails that we are finding up in the north, but it was good.
Was it
manageable.
was it a little bit challenging or?
I would say if for a novice, if you're not accustomed hiking it, it will be a bit challenging because of the bush, but generally it is an easy hike. It's mostly flat. It's flat land.
Yeah,
So.
you just have a little climb to come up to the volcano.
Yeah.
And guess what? We encountered a jaguar mundi along the way. I was trying to get some footage here, but it was so difficult. He was quick. Let's go. So we are now proceeding to the next volcano, which is bigger in diameter. Just watch your steps, people. Just watch your steps. All happening here at Southwest Adventures.
How long the cycle?
Say again?
How long to the next one?
Right here, look at right here.
Right here.
Look at this piece of beauty here.
So who Chelsea come?
Wow, look at this.
Come Chelsea.
No snake. Listen, right here is a little bit muddy, yeah? It's a little bit muddy right here. Alright, so we are here at the other volcano. Look at it, people. So you all are gonna get an aerial footage of this volcano, so you'll be able to compare the size, right? Look at those craters and rivers. Look at it. Feel like if you're moving through Afghanistan here. Woohoo! Whoa, look at that. Whoa. It's like a mud crevice. Now just exploring right now. Right, this is the bottomwood tree here. This is the fruit from the bottomwood. You never came across my channel on YouTube?
No, I never even check it out. I'll check it.
So it's a beautiful evening, man. Beautiful evening. Look at it. Lovely scenery, lovely greenery.
Where says the name of the page? Southwest
Southwest Adventures on YouTube.
Adventures.
Yeah. How's the experience?
Real good.
You loving it?
Really, really amazing. Yes, I am.
I know you all came through some
We over
bush.
bushes, but it was really worth it.
It was worth it,
Yeah,
it was worth it.
really was
Okay, nice, nice, nice. Well, I'm happy to know that, man. I mean,
Mud volcano or mud dome is a landform created by the eruption of mud or slurries, water and gases. They are not true igneous volcanoes as they do not produce lava and are not necessarily driven by magmatic activity. They are formed at points of weakness in the Earth's crust along the fault lines. The larger of these two volcanoes has a diameter of about 350 feet and the smaller 225 feet. They are about 100 meters apart from each other.
yeah, go ahead.
So, when you see our aerial footage, you will be able to compare them.
Go by there a bit, go by there a bit. Right, so from here people will get the drone footage, right? Look at it. Up she goes.